Hey guys, it's Dami, and in today's video, we're going to be opening up AirPod 2s that I got from DHgate. Without further ado, I want you guys to watch the unboxing experience, and I'm going to tell you guys how it sounds towards the end of the video. When it came to pairing the AirPods, it worked seamlessly. Transparency mode worked and noise cancellation worked. Like everything worked like one to one, but the only thing that didn't work was the spatial audio. That's the only thing that doesn't work, but apart from that, these are 10/10. I think I will find the link and drop it down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this little video and just put out to show you guys these one-to-one AirPods from DHgate. And I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.